Now, Mark, thanks for coming on the course, and I'm delighted you were here. So if I can ask you a couple of questions, tell me about your experience over the last few days.
It was amazing. The most amazing part, I think, for me, apart from rebuilding my Bianchi behind me there, was actually learning the history of the bikes,
Right, okay.
where it came from.
Well, that's interesting. And what do you think's been most benefit to yourself?
How to rebuild bikes. Like my own bike there, which I've rebuilt now this morning, it's going better than it ever was, you know. Just simple little things that I didn't know how to do before.
Okay, cool. And what have you enjoyed most then about the training course? The whole experience?
Probably working with the two guys here, working as a team when we were doing the theory tests, and the three of us helping each other assemble our own bikes back together again.
Cool. And if you had to say something to anybody that might be watching this about coming to the training centre and doing what you've done, what would you say?
I'll definitely come. One, if you're into building bikes, bike maintenance, definitely worth it. I've learned so much here over the last 6 days I think I've been here now. And Marty is a very nice guy.
Thanks very much. Thanks very much.
You're very welcome, Marty.